to you about the skills that you need to build in case you want to succeed. And this is a long list actually, but maybe as many of these skills as are essential and as you can lay your hands on, begin building them. The first one is communication skills, the importance of which cannot be ever underestimated. Whatever field you choose, wherever you want to go, whatever you want to become in life, I mean, irrespective of the area you want to succeed in, the field that you choose, the country you want to work in, wherever, communication skills are absolutely essential. Communication skills are not English skills. English is one language. Whatever language you choose to speak, whether it's Telugu or English or your mother tongue or some other language, whatever language, even if you don't use any language, if you're just using body language also, you need communication skills. So improve your communication skills. Your teachers will help you. Seek their help. Interpersonal skills, how you get along with people, some soft skills. So that's another important area you need to focus on. Self-motivational skills. I don't know if there is a name like that. I created this name. Usually we call them motivational skills. But I thought maybe how long can we depend on other people to motivate us? In case there is a skill, I don't know if there is one, in case there is a skill that helps us motivate ourselves, I think that would be great. So we have to continuously motivate ourselves. Don't expect the world to motivate us all the day. How long will our dad, mom, teacher, friend, this person, that person, here, there, how long will you depend on them to continuously pump, motivate, right? It's not possible, I think. I don't think the world cannot always be after you doing this. So you have to motivate yourselves. So in case you have to motivate yourselves, what is it that you can do? Most probably you have to develop a positive attitude. You have to think that something good is possible and then build confidence within yourself. Believe that you can do something, some things like that. Perhaps you can do to build your motivation. Improve your self-motivation. Then leadership skills in any organization, in any place, wherever you go, you also need to lead yourself, lead others, lead a team. These are simple expectations from your employers wherever you go again, and that's why you need to build your leadership skills. Decision-making skills, extremely important again. Unless you are capable of taking quick, right, good decisions, success is difficult, right? Good decisions are one important characteristic hallmark of all successful people in the world. And that's why, so improve your decision making skills. There is a course on that. There are ways of improving your decision making skills. There are very scientifically built procedures that we can follow to take better decisions. And finally, time management skills. See, 1 minute later, 1 minute earlier, I don't think anybody will wait for us. Look at this software, for instance. The 40th minute, automatically it got cut off. So if I don't organize myself in a given time, there are going to be these kind of problems. So improve your time management skills also, and in whatever field you choose. And I am sure that you have taken some points from what I have told you here. In case this program has benefited you in any way, just type yes in the question pane or the chat pane, and maybe in the next 2 minutes we'll stop. Please start typing in the chat box. If it has benefited you, say yes. 10, 12, 15. Good. Good. Some 17 people have already, more than that. I think people are still typing, I think. Oh, good. That's a good number. Some 25, 26 have already said, yes, I'm happy that this has benefited you. But it's not just saying yes. Start putting any one of these into practice right this moment. So if you do that, I'm sure your life is on a great course. And I wish you all success in whatever you are planning to do in your life. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Bangla? Bangla, you can ask students to ask the questions in case they have any questions.
Thank you very much, Nagaraju sir. Thanks for joining back again. And now the session is open for question answers, ma. if anyone has got any doubt, unmute
I think
yourself.
Pravalika has a question, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Raise your hands and
Pravalika?
you ask.
Make your question brief and ask. Please don't take too much time. Okay? Brevity. That's very important. Yeah. Pravalika, ask Nana. Unmute yourself and start asking questions, students. Bangla, unmute everyone so that, you know, in
Lord,
case
it will
somebody...
be a mayhem. Now I have unmuted everyone. Okay, those who want to ask questions,
Good afternoon, sir.
you can ask by
Madam, I
raising
have
your
doubt.
hands and unmuting yourself.
Ma'am, I have doubt, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
who?
Naresh.
Naresh.
Naresh, ma'am.
B. Naresh?
Naresh, ma'am. See
Yes,
Naresh.
Naresh.
Yes. Good afternoon to all. Sir, I have one doubt, sir. Hello.
Raju sir? Sir, you have muted yourselves. Raju sir.
You have muted him, Ma.
I didn't mute the, he can unmute himself.
He is unmuted only, ma'am.
No, sir is unmuted, I think, Bangla, ma'am. I don't
Yes,
see
ma'am.
that it is
I
muted.
am available. You need not see me. You
Yeah,
need
yeah.
not see me. Even if you cannot see my video there, you can ask me questions. I
Yeah,
can hear you.
Naresh, ask sir your question. Brief.
Come on, sir. Sir, I have one doubt in this in self-motivational skills. Sir, you said we should be always depend ourselves to motivate. So, what are the ways, sir? Can you suggest any ways to
Yeah,
motivate
Naresh,
ourselves?
that's a good question, but I think I gave you some tips already. One of the tips that I gave you is to build your confidence. Believe in yourself. I can do this. I will do this. Tell yourself all the time that you can do it, you will do this. That's one powerful way of motivating yourself. As long as you think, oh, I can't do it, this is too big for me. I never tried anything like this. Nobody else has done this. So if you think negatively like that, perhaps nothing is possible. If nobody has done it, I will do it. If I have done it, I'll do it something bigger. So if you think positively like that, that motivates you. And the second thing I told you, always be positive. Something good is going to happen to you and you are going to be successful. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, next.
Hello, sir.
You said some techniques are there for decision making. Can you suggest, sir, anyone? Anything?
The easiest is if you go to a hotel, if you have to eat idli or vada, and the menu card is given to you, and if you have to choose between idli and vada, how do you decide usually? So there is a process. So internally, within your mind, you are thinking which is better for you, depending on your budget, depending on your hunger level, and also depending on your taste, and also what is that good hotel known for. Is idli there better or vada better? So you take a decision. So there is a process. So you do that very quickly in your mind. When you go to a hotel, you do that very quickly. But when it comes to your career, when it comes to life, when it comes to your marriage, when it comes to something very important in your life, you need to do it a little more methodically.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
who is this? Ma, introduce yourself and ask.
Ma'am, my name is Pravalika. Sir, most of us fail to manage our time. Time management skills are less for almost everyone. Can you give some tips and suggestions to improve our time management?
That's a big area, but anyway, because you asked me this question, I just would like to tell you that time available to everybody is the same. What you achieve in that time available is different. That's relative. So everybody has 24 hours in a day, everybody has 365 days in a year, everybody has a lifetime of 70, 80, 90 years. But what you achieve during that time is different. So how much you want to achieve is your time management. How much can you, for instance, just take a very simple exercise. You just begin clapping. How many times you clap in 60 seconds? You count it today. Tomorrow, if you want, can you multiply that 2 times, 3 times? Can you clap more times? That means you have begun managing the available time, the 60 seconds that's available to you to achieve more. The same thing applies to your life also. In the given time, how much more you can do. There are lots of other techniques in that. I'll not go into them right now.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any
Sir?
other questions?
Good afternoon, sir.
Me, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, Avantika.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Avantika. Sir, in decision making, some critical situations can come, na, sir. Especially for girls, will already also come. Then how can we make a perfect decision on that time?
Avantika, first of all, don't say myself is Avantika, say I am Avantika. Okay? Myself Avantika is a wrong sentence, right? And coming to your question, I think it needs a lot of debate. I don't think I can answer your question in half a minute, 1 minute. Maybe we'll have another class to discuss that.
Okay, sir.
Arindam.
So good afternoon, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Arindam Banerjee. I want to ask that most of the students are having negative mindset more than having positive mindset in this kind of situation in towards their career and towards their academic. How to improve their mindset from negative to positive mindset? Can you please guide, sir?
Oh, that's a very, 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 very good question, Banerjee. I like that question, but I don't have time to discuss that. But anyway, I'll tell you something very simple. Changing from the negative mindset to the positive mindset is a slow process. It begins by telling yourself. So you you give yourself some kind of commands. I am going to think positive from today. This is one simple thing. The second thing is you must learn to be grateful. There is something called a gratitude journal. So how many people you are grateful to? How many things you are grateful for? So ask yourself, you have come up to this stage because of a million things that have happened in your life. There are a million people that have worked directly or indirectly to contribute to your success. And you have to be grateful to all of them. So that is the beginning of becoming positive. So many people are working for me. The whole universe is conspiring to make me successful. Everybody is working to ensure that I am successful. My father wants me to be successful. My mother wants to be successful. My teacher wants to be successful. I want to be successful. So begin thinking like that, your positivity starts.
Yes.
Please, sir.
Cheltaran. Who is this, ma? Introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, I'm Cheltarang.
Yes, Cheltarang. Cheltarang, ask
Sir.
your question, ma.
I'm sorry. Sir, daily I'm losing my concentration while studying, while doing activities. Could you please suggest something for me?
I don't have any easy tip for that. You need to begin focusing. You need to tell your mind, you have to control your mind. You have to tell that this is important to you. You have chosen to do something and this is your focus, and hold it. This is something that needs regular practice. It comes by practice. It's not impossible.
Nagaprasanna.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Nagaprasanna, you can ask.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Nagaprasanna. Sir, basically I am Telugu medium student, sir. How to improve my English communication skills, sir?
That's a great opportunity for me to tell you about myself. I also came from the Telugu medium background. Don't worry. Don't worry at all. So all my education has been in Telugu medium in a rural area. You are lucky you are in Hyderabad. My entire education was in a village. Right?
Sir,
And
even I am from village, sir. I'm not
don't
from
worry.
Hyderabad.
Don't worry, you are studying in a good government Hyderabad college with very good English teachers. I did not have any great English teachers like you have. Right? You are lucky. Right? So, I mean, believe that you can speak good English if you begin today, and very soon you'll speak good English. And already you are speaking good English. I must congratulate you. You spoke a good sentence. The sentence that you made is very good. That's perfect. Your English is good.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Actually, I am from Government Degree College, Sadashiv, sir.
If you have made this sentence on your own, that itself proves that you are on the progress path. Your English is good. Your teachers are good. I must congratulate your teachers also for the good
Okay, sir,
English you are
thank you.
speaking. Right, Nagprasanna?
Shall we wrap up now? Sir has been on
Yeah,
for
please.
Ambadas, one last question, Ambadas.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Ambadas.
Sir, could you tell something more about interpersonal skills?
I can't hear you. You have to speak a little louder, Ambadas.
Sir, interpersonal skills గురించి ఇంకా కొద్దిగా ఏమని చెప్తారా?
ఇంకొకసారి చెప్తాను. మళ్ళీ ఇంకొకసారి వచ్చినప్పుడు చెప్తాను.
అంటే మిగతా వాటి గురించి ఐడియా ఉంది కానీ ఇది కొత్తగా వింటున్నా సార్ ఇంటర్పర్సనల్ స్కిల్స్ అని.
అంటే ఒకరితో ఒకరు సంబంధాలు, మానవ సంబంధాలు అనుకో.
అచ్చా, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
One last from Puneet Kumar. Puneet Kumar.
Okay.
Yes, Puneet.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Puneet Kumar of BCom second year. Every language has its own slang. Example, like our English spelled in different ways as American English and British English, etc. Which would be the better to improve our communicational skills, sir?
The one you are using now is the best. Don't worry about the American variety or English variety unless you want to go there. If you want to go to America, learn the American variety. If you want to go to England, learn that variety. When you are in India, the one that you are using is the best for you. Continue.
Sir, I have to doubt. Thank you. Hello.
I have one more webinar, Bangla. I must stop here. I have a Lions webinar at 1 o'clock. I mean,
Okay,
2
we'll
o'clock.
stop
So,
the questions here, Ma. I must say, Raju sir, thank you so much. Your
I must
30
thank you.
years of teaching experience was put into our 26 and odd minutes of your presentation, giving us the secrets to your fitness, your energy, and also many tips for our students for how to be a good student. Like
Thank
it
you.
has to start now from this moment. And how to do it, your 12 baits. Once again, we'll do that revision in the class, and how to strengthen your skills and how to think big. It is a very valid points. I hope all our students have benefited from this. And I thank you very much for giving us your time. I also thank our principal madam for opening this opportunity and allowing faculty and students from other districts also. This invitation was posted in Kaizala. That's why we have students and teachers from Sadashivpet and other places coming and introducing themselves. I thank you very much, Raju sir, for being with us. Thank you so much.
thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so much.
Bangla. Thank you, Adita. Thank you, Principal.
Our
Thank you,
pleasure, sir.
Suchitra. Thank you, everybody.
Our pleasure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Stay
Hello,
safe.
Nag.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello.
So I'm going to stop this, sir. Stop the recording.
Madam, may I request you to
Yes.
conduct more seminars like this, madam, with the dynamic
Yes, we'll do.
lecturers?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll do that. We'll do that.